Today we'll see how to upload duty roster through Matrix portal. First, we need to log in. So I'm here in the Matrix portal, giving my user ID, password, login, shift and schedule, manage shift, end date 30th September, 31st August start date, more filter, select group wise, reporting group, then manager's name. Apply, export, one file automatically downloaded, opening that file, click on the file, enable. Now we'll save the file. Go to file, save as, this PC. So I am saving the file in the desktop, so I select desktop, file name September duty roster, save as file type, most important thing, CSV, delimited, then save. So file automatically saved in desktop. Then go to import, choose file, select desktop, file name September duty roster, which already saved by us. File format CSV. Upload, file saved successfully. Preview data. Scroll to the right side and see. Now process. So process already done. Go to right hand side and see the message. Shift assigned successfully, means successfully roster has been uploaded. Now check in the page number 2, same message. Page number 3, same, successfully. 4, we are having total 7 page. 5, 6, 7, all are done. Close it. So we have uploaded the duty roster of September.